Dave Dymond, General Manager of H&H Sod Company here in St. Cloud, Florida. The reason we use the Senninger wobblers is because it puts out a large water droplet that goes straight down the ground. Our dry period in Florida, especially, is always a windy time. So we want water to get on the ground. It doesn't do us any good to put it up in the air and have it blow away. Because the water does that quicker, and irrigation does that quicker, then it's recommended by the Water Management District and the USDA as a good, efficient irrigation machine. We don't have to run it as long here, and it's vital that we have irrigation to get our crop to maturity so we can harvest it on time. Without irrigation, we just can't do that. Our dry season starts in February and sometimes goes as long as mid-June. The temperatures go from the low 70s up to the high 90s in that time. The ET rate just goes off the chart the last 2 months, May and June, and we have to have irrigation to supplement with irrigation at that time to get our crop to market. It also helps to improve the efficacy of the fertilizer we applied and the chemicals at that time if we need to do that. The large droplet side with the low pressure enables us to move our machines through the field much faster. We're saving on fuel, we're using less energy, we're getting more water on the ground when we need any irrigation. The idea is, of course, to get the crop to get in a healthier stage. When it's very, very hot here, if we can irrigate properly, it lowers the temperature of the soil in the summertime. It makes it easier to harvest, and it improves the shelf life of the sod once we harvest it. If it's real dry and hot, when we harvest it on a pallet, it heats up and it doesn't transplant as well. So that's another reason why we like to use the irrigation systems and especially the wobbler head, because that water, we can put a little bit of water out quickly and it cools the ground down. The sod's cooler. When we stack it, it has better shelf life. We like that.